Hello, Chloe. You asked me about Leibniz rule. I think Leibniz rule is just a shortcut or a general way of solving a function with the product rule. Okay, so that means that if we use the Leibniz rule to solve a function, we should have the same result as solving the function using the product rule. Okay, so for example, let's say we have this function y is equals to f of x times g of x. Okay, so if we solve this function with the product rule, our solution should be dy dx should equal the derivative of f of x multiply by g of x plus f of x multiply by the derivative of g of x. Okay, so this is the solution of this function using the product rule, and this is also is exactly the same. We can also write this like as y prime should equal f of x, f prime of x g of x plus f of x g prime of x. So basically these are the same things, it's just I just write them in a different manner. Okay, so the solution to this function with the product rule is this. Okay, so now Leibniz functions, the Leibniz rule just help us solve this function and in a more general, using a general approach. Okay, so the Leibniz function is in general is from k is equals to 0 to n and k f of x to the n minus k g of x to the k. Okay, so this is in general, this is the Leibniz rule. Okay, so to prove that Leibniz rule works, we can just, for example, we can just solve for when n is equals to 1. Okay, so if we use the Leibniz rule when n is equals to 1, then